Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video. Well, actually, I'm not back with anything today because I have nothing new to say. I just wanted to make a video to request from all of you to comment under this video and let me know what you want me to make videos about. Lately, with all the things that's been happening, I feel that my videos about regular things like minicam tricks or regular classroom teaching techniques are not going to be very important now. This is not what people think about these days. People are worried, people have questions about other more important things, like this whole new thing with the new payment structure, this thing with the absence of demo signups, 25-minute demos. A lot of things are changing and people are worried and scared and just not comfortable. And this is why I don't just want to ignore all these things that's happening and just follow a string of pointless videos that will not be useful until later because people don't care right now. So I just wanted to ask you, what do you want me to make a video about? If it is something that's within my abilities and I actually have enough information or I can obtain enough information about that, I will actually go ahead, do my research and make a video about that topic. Now, bear in mind that this new payment structure is confidential and we cannot go into any details. Besides, I'm not in any way authorized or have any official information from the company. We're all the same in the same boat. So I'm talking in general. What else do you want me to talk about? If there is any request of any kind about anything, please let me know. Whether we're talking technical things, whether we're talking teaching techniques, whether we're talking something about all the things that's been going on, I can collect information and make a video as long as it's allowed and I am not crossing any lines and I'm not giving information that's not for sure. So in the end, I just want you to tell me, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? And if there is nothing, then I'm gonna go back to posting regular teaching techniques videos starting from the next video after that. However, I just wanted to reach out to you. I wanted to listen to what you have on your mind and I want to make it public. I want to put it out there and perhaps it will help. Perhaps someone out there might have something that can be useful for all of us. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I took some of your time without any new information. I just wanted to make sure that my content stays relevant, especially and related to the times that we are going through these days. So please let me know. I appreciate it very much. Thank you to all of you who watch my videos. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Hopefully it will be one of your requests. And one last thing, I want to say that I want this video for whoever watches it later in the future to be the place where everyone posts their questions. So few months later in the future, I will still come back and check the comments under this video. I want this video to be the location where everyone come and just dumps their requests under this video. And then after that, I will use this information and try to make something informative that can be useful for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Take care and peace.